इसमें मैं एक क्वेश्चन और भी है, क्योंकि आपने सैलरी जंप की बात की, बम की बात की। आपका एक टाइम के बाद बढ़ता है इनकम,
हाँ,
पर जब इनकम बढ़ता है तो फैमिली से प्रेशर आता है। ऑफ कोर्स एक्सपेंसेस आपने बोला, शादी के खर्चे हैं, एजुकेशन के खर्चे, अगर आप दोबारा कभी पोस्ट ग्रेजुएट करते हैं, कुछ करते हैं। एक और खर्चा है जो पेरेंट्स इंडिया में स्पेशली बोलते हैं, पर यंगस्टर्स इतना मानना नहीं चाहते, विच इज़ बाइंग योर ओन हाउस।
हम्म,
बिकॉज आजकल लोगों में एक चीज़ आ गई है कि क्या मुझे इतना लोन में इतने जल्दी आना है, बिकॉज ऑफ कोर्स द प्रॉपर्टीज हैव लाइक उनका रेट्स कुछ अलग ही लेवल पे जा
हर
चुका
स्टेज पे
है।
जब हम लोग तुम्हारी
जी।
एज के थे हमको भी लगता था, क्योंकि हमारी सैलरीज
या
ना हजारों में होती थी, 1500 रुपए,
हाँ जी,
1600 रुपए, ओके उस समय
सो
नहीं।
रिलेटिवली वो तब
सो इट्स
महंगा था जी।
ऑलवेज,
हाँ।
सी हाउसेज इज समथिंग always out, no matter where you are,
हम्म।
it's always out of your reach. But the question is really good. So
हाँ, बट माय क्वेश्चन इज एक्चुअली
yes,
दिस कि
hmm,
शुड वी एक्चुअली इन्वेस्ट इन दिस,
yeah,
क्योंकि आपने उसमें एक मेंशन किया कि इट इज नॉट द बेस्ट ऑप्शन। मतलब हमें सोचना चाहिए, बिकॉज इंडियन मिडिल क्लास
right.
खासतौर से सोचता है दिस इज द बेस्ट इन्वेस्टमेंट प्रोबेबली।
उसको differentiate करना पड़ेगा. A
ओके।
home that you live in
हम्म।
is not an investment.
ओके।
Oh, roof over my head hai.
हम्म।
So understand the difference. I've always said that real estate as an investment is terrible. Real estate as a roof over my head is a basic requirement for my sanity.
True.
But you have to be at a stage where you know that I will live in this city for the next 20 years. I have got married, I have got children, they are going to school. Now I know that I will live in this city for the next 20 years. That's the time you buy your house.
Okay.
And it will always be out of reach. That you must understand. That is not an investment, because आपको investment क्या होता है? उससे कुछ आता है ना वापस.
Exactly.
इनकम आती है या प्रॉफिट आता है.
Hmm.
What is an investment? Bank deposit gives you interest. Stock gives you dividend and profit. Real estate gives you rent and profit. If you're living in the house, it's not an investment. It will be inheritance for your children.
Right.
Right? For you, it is a roof over your head. So you build that roof over your head only when you know I'm going to be living in this city.
Okay.
So don't stress your finances very early in your career. When you're also, it gives you the freedom to move. Jobs move, cities move, countries. Why shackle yourself down at the age where you need to be experimenting?
But there
taking
is
risk?
always a debate between rent versus EMI. If I'm paying the
Right.
rent, I can also pay the EMI.
So let's
There's
do
also-
numbers now.
Yeah.
Okay. What is the EMI of the house that you rent? It will be a multiplier. अगर रेंट 20,000 है तो EMI 1.5 लाख की होगी. Okay, so
Right.
you've got to do the maths on what kind of lifestyle also you're able to afford through the rent, and what would that cost you in an EMI.
Okay.
And it'll be a multiplier, 8 times, 10 times. EMI is that much more. Right? So what are you compromising on? So you will live 50 kilometers away from the city center, spend 4 hours in travel. These are again choices we make. So if it is really important for you to buy that house and then live in it, then you'll either overstretch your finances,
Right.
or you will live very far away from where you work. So if you're lucky, then your place of work is also near where you are. But those are the trade-offs that you need to do. So what you do is you think about it like that my rent is a fraction of the EMI. I was willing to pay at least half that. So that margin in the middle is my SIP, is my investment towards my down payment for a house when I choose to buy it.
Okay.
Right? So don't rush into buying a house. It's okay to rent for a while to see where you want to go. But as an investment, don't get into it. Okay. What is the yield of a house that you buy? Yield is total rent divided by value of the property.
Yeah.
कितना होता है? 2.5% होता है. PPF कितना दे रहा है? 7.1. So, compare it always to an alternative investment.
Okay.
That what is it that I will get back? So of course there's capital appreciation, but you know what? That takes 20 years. It's not going to happen. It's not going to double every 3-4 years. So be careful with your real estate investing. Don't go into Italian marble tiles. Like seriously, Olive County, गुड़गांव में कहाँ से हैं olive trees यार? वहाँ कौन बना रहा है? Sea View नोएडा में कहाँ से आ गया? तो थोड़ा बिल्डर्स का ना ध्यान से सोचो कि क्या बेच रहा है वो.